pagkatapos ng Juanita Banana.
Yes! Hey! Welcome back! Welcome back to Asa XP! Guys, we would like to say happy birthday! Happy birthday, Jacko! Yeah!
Thank you, Sir Magic, Mr. M, Asa XP, Skechers, Istana, Police Records, abangan niyo yung album ko, lalabas yan. Soon Family, and Fernando's Cake. And for my birthday wish, Secret Hand.
Make a wish, blow your candle! There you go!
Question for you guys. Okay, let's talk about our Halloween experiences. Ano ba yung scariest characters na ayaw ninyong makita?
I hate clowns.
Oy!
Scary clowns.
Really?
I don't like clowns because of the movie It. Lumabas na yun. Stephen King, ikaw, what are you scared
Ako
of?
wala naman.
Okay, matapang ka.
No fear.
Oo, wala naman.
Nagmukha pa akong babae.
What are you
How
scared
about
of?
you, Jacko?
Ipis. Pwede ba yan?
Ipis.
Ipis,
Kung
parang
makakita
hindi
tayo ng
naman.
ipis na nagtitrick or treat, matatakot
Oo,
din ako.
i-clean mo lang
Yes.
yung housemate ko talaga. Pero ito,
Ano yun?
gusto ko siyang makita.
Tama.
Ayoko siyang iwasan. Gusto ko siyang makita kasi sobrang astig niya. And she's here with us to give us an astig na performance mula sa isang pop star na talagang mahal na mahal nating lahat.
Please welcome on SOS with the G-Force. We give you the one, the only pop star princess, Miss Sarah Geronimo.